How to send pictures on Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mikran. Today I am going to guide you how to send pictures on Zangi. Sending pictures on Zangi is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Zangi app on your mobile device. Go to the chat tab and select the conversation with the person you want to send a picture to. Tap the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip or camera icon, located in the message input area. Choose gallery or select an existing photo or camera to take a new picture. If you select gallery, browse through your image and tap on the picture you want to send. If you choose camera, take your photo and confirm it. Once selected, tap on the send button, usually an arrow or paper plane icon to send the picture. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can send pictures on Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.